alleged invisible space walls may shed light on our universe's origin. The fifth force may pose a challenge to the universe origin-related standards cosmological concept known as the lambda cold dark matter, lambda CDM model. Dark matter, which appears to make up most of the universe's mass according to theories, remains one of the biggest mysteries that scientists have repeatedly tried to solve. Shedding light on the origin of the universe is never easy, and researchers, however, are not sitting on their hands, with two scientists having recently suggested the existence of a new fifth force in outer space. The fifth force may pose a challenge to the universe origin-related standard cosmological concept known as the lambda cold dark matter, Greek lambda CDM model. In a study yet to be peer-reviewed, two researchers from the University of Nottingham in the UK claimed that hypothetical particles known as symmetrons could produce the fifth force to form domain walls or invisible boundaries in space. He said, "We know that we need new particles because we have dark matter and dark energy, so we suspect that we're going to need to add new particles to our standard model to account for those things." This is what Anish Naik, research fellow, University of Nottingham, lead author of the study, was quoted saying by Vice. According to the researcher, that's the context in which people study theories like symmetron theory. It's a new particle candidate for dark energy and or dark matter. Again, these are all theories. The standard model is comprised of three key components, including Albert Einstein's cosmological constant, a coefficient that explains his equations of general relativity. The two other components are cold dark matter, which is slow-moving particles that don't emit radiation, and conventional matter that we interact with every day. The Nottingham-based theory may revolutionize the lambda CDM model, given that symmetrons have been proposed to fill in some of the missing links in order to help explain the existence of dark matter and dark energy. As we know, again, we're saying they haven't found them, it's just theory. A phenomenon that appears to be making the universe expand at an accelerated rate. The standard theory stipulates that smaller galaxies should be captured by the gravitational pull of larger host galaxies and forced into chaotic orbits, something that has yet to be proved in real-world observations and that the two scientists' study may help to explain. According to researchers, symmetron particles forming invisible walls between them could trigger smaller galaxies to form disks around much bigger hosts. But many await the conclusive proof of symmetron existence, with advanced space instruments such as the James Webb Telescope, which currently helps scientists observe parts of the universe, the early universe, expected to solidify the theory. And this is on Bended Reality. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.